what is the idea behind holding this conference? Why did the organizer decide to hold this conference? If you check the coin market cap, you can see that there are about 10,000 active coins and tokens in coin market cap. There are also so many other companies throughout the world that work hard to develop blockchain and cryptocurrency. And so many researchers and institutes work on developing blockchain and cryptocurrency to build the structure of new digital world. As you can see in this graph, the energy demand for Bitcoin is almost the same as in the Netherlands. And considering cryptocurrency as a country, this country consumes energy. And today, more than 80% of energy in the world is generated by fossil fuel resources. So if cryptocurrency is considered as a symbol of modernization, blockchain and cryptocurrency as a symbol of modernization, fossil fuel resources depletion and more pollutant formation are the main consequences of this so-called modernization. Because as I mentioned, a considerable part of energy in the world is generated by fossil fuels. So the cryptocurrency mining process actively contributes to global warming, where Bitcoin mining itself could push global warming above 2 degrees centigrade, which is not a good news, and it is not according to the Paris Agreement. Okay, this graph shows Bitcoin energy consumption between 2017 and 2022. And as you can see, the electrical energy required for single Bitcoin transaction is 1775 kilowatt, which is equal to the power consumption of an average US household over around 61 days. And this is just energy consumption in the mining process, and the energy consumption of cooling system, wallets, exchangers, or third parties and ATMs should be considered. And the related carbon footprint is about 843 kilogram CO2, which is equal to carbon footprint of around 2 million Visa transaction or 140 hours of watching YouTube. And Bitcoin accounted for 2/3 of the total cryptocurrency energy consumption, and the mining of other digital coins should be considered in the related graph in energy and environmental studies. As you know, blockchain companies and digital coins have their own roadmaps and white papers that cover their plans and economic developments. But the question is, do they have any plans for sustainability and environmental issues? Today, if you want to establish a factory, for example, a steel factory, you need to address the environmental concern. You cannot release your waste to the environment. You need to have a plan for your wastewater and emissions. And as previously mentioned, cryptocurrency is a huge consumer of energy. So blockchain companies and digital coins must have their own plans for a clean environment and sustainability. So the philosophy of SEBC 2022 conference is to address the energy and environmental concerns related to the development of the digital world. SEBC 2022 is a platform for sophisticated professors, researchers, engineers, and managers from the academic world, financial and blockchain companies, and digital coin developers to demonstrate their constructive activities and discuss how to make a clean and environmentally friendly digital world. And I strongly believe SEBC 2022 is a successful conference because we have speakers and participants from different regions, from United States, Canada, European countries, UK, Spain, Romania, Austria, Denmark, and from Asia, Japan, India, Malaysia, Singapore, United Arab Emirates, and Australia. All engineers, coin developers, exchangers, cryptocurrency and blockchain companies throughout the world are invited to actively participate in the second international conference on sustainable energy, blockchain, and cryptocurrency, SEBC 2023. To receive new updates, please follow Future Publishing LLC social media and subscribe to Future YouTube channel.